Alright guys, welcome back to Impressive Media Solutions. I'm Kern Scott, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to split audio, how easy it is to split audio in Audacity. Right now, this video is part of a full tutorial on Audacity that's completely free, so every week look out for a new topic or tips. Right, okay, so in this video we want to basically split this audio so that we could use a very short piece for a promo. Right now, it's very simple. Firstly, we need to have our select tool selected, and we could easily do that by coming and clicking here or using our shortcut command of F1. Right, and then we would definitely click where in the audio or timeline we would like to cut this audio. Right, so basically I want to cut it from here, and then we move this whole back portion. Right, so we're going to cut it from here, and we go to edit, clip boundaries, and split. Right now we have a keyboard shortcut command, which is Control I, and on the Mac it's Command I. Right, and as we hit it, we would realize right where we had selected, right where the playhead is, it has gotten darker. So if we take our time shift tool and move across the audio, we'll definitely see that we have split the audio. All right, so that's very simple, not too hard to do. Right now, there are times when we may want to remove a section of audio. Right, we may want to remove a whole section of audio, and we could also use that tool to remove a section of audio. So we come back to edit, clip boundaries, and split. Now we have gotten the cut on both ends. We will hit our backspace key, and our audio has moved over to the left. Right now, let's say for instance you wanted that space. Right, you wanted that space for the pause or to place in some commercial or something. Let's undo. What we can do is go to edit, remove special, split, delete, and we have left that space. Right now, quick tip, we could reconnect this audio by going to clip boundaries and join, so we have back that one clip. So if we want to do some sort of movement, it would not affect it. Right now, let's go back again. Now if we wanted to cut this into a new track, we don't need to go and cut it and then drop it down. What we can do in Audacity is clip boundaries, split to new. And that's Audacity for you guys, doing really amazing things. Free, open source, guys. Alright, so if you like this video and it added some value, do hit the subscribe button. If you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button, join the family. Software tutorials, we're gonna be having a whole lot coming up. Right, hit the like button, hit that notification bell for new tutorials, guys. Thank you for checking out the channel. I'm Kern Scott for Impressive Media Solutions.